Hi friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs, second week June 2020. This is Mahendra Vaishnav getting you the most competitive questions to help you out in all the competitive exams. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, do please subscribe and do not forget to hit on bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.
Question 1. Name the scheme under which Citizen Skill Mapping Vande Bharat Mission Swadesh has been launched. And the options are Skill Bharat, Swadesh, Metaskills, KRA India. Correct answer is Swadesh. Explanation. The project is joint efforts of Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship MSDE, Ministry of Civil Aviation and Ministry of External Affairs. Question 2. Which bank has launched India's first mobile based facility for opening current accounts? And the options are SBI, IndusInd Bank, ICICI, HDFC. And the correct answer is IndusInd Bank. The app is known as Indus Corporate Mobile App. Question 3. Name the state which has launched the Salary Tracker mobile app Mera Vetan. And the options are Haryana, UP, Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan. And the correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Name the state which has launched a campaign Spandan for the police. And the options are Delhi, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Goa. And the correct answer is Chhattisgarh. Question 5. Basu Chatterjee, who died recently, was famous. And the options are writer, filmmaker, social reformer, historian. And the correct answer is filmmaker. Question 6. Which of these has launched Sumeru Pax, a personal air circulation system to provide comfort for the doctors and healthcare workers who wear personal protective equipments? And the options are FICCI, AIMS, DRDO, ISRO, none of these. And the correct answer is DRDO. Sumeru Pax is small backpack-like device weighing approximately 500 grams, acts as a personal air. Question 7. Name the committee which has been formed by SEBI for its commodity derivative advisory. And the options are Rajiv Topno Committee, Shaktikant Das Committee, Praveen Srivastav Committee, Ashok Dalwani Committee. And the correct answer is Ashok Dalwani Committee. Question 8. Recently, India has signed an MOU in the areas of environment with, and the options are Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, China. And the correct answer is Bhutan. MOU aims to establish and promote the long-term cooperation between the two countries in the field of environment protection. Question 9. Name the scheme which led to 200 urban forests in 5 next years. And the options are Trees for All, Nagar Van, Each One Plan, Plant Today. And the answer is Nagar Van. The implementation to develop urban forest across the country over the span of 5 years, called the Nagar Van. Question 10. Which of these has released the annual report of Periodic Labor Force Survey? And the options are HRD, FICCI, NASSCOM, National Statistical Office. And the answer is National Statistical Office. Question 11. In which country Virtual Global Vaccine Summit 2020 scheduled? And the options are UK, France, India, USA. And the correct answer is UK. Question 12. Which bank has launched a campaign named as Summer Treats? And the options are ICICI, HDFC, SBI, Axis Bank. And the correct answer is HDFC. With this campaign, the bank aims to meet the changing needs of merchants as well as salaried and self-employed customers. Question 13. Which state has introduced MOU of monitoring mechanism for implementation of investing proposals and tracking of MOU? And the options are MP Madhya Pradesh, UP Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand or Bihar. And the correct answer is UP Uttar Pradesh. Question 14. Which country will host AFC Women's Asian Cup 2022? And the options are China, India, South Korea, Indonesia. And the correct answer is India. Question 15. World Food Safety Day is observed on June 5th, June 6th, June 7th, June 8th. And the correct answer is June 7th. The day aims to draw attention and inspire action to help prevent, detect and manage foodborne risks, contributing to food security, human health, economic prosperity, agriculture, market access, tourism and sustainable development. Question 17. Where is Tuticorin Port? And the options are Kerala, Goa, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. And the correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Indian naval ship INS Jalashwa reached Tuticorin Port in Tamil Nadu on June 7th, bringing back 700 stranded Indians in the Maldives. Question 17. Which panel has forecasted Delhi would need around 15,000 additional hospital beds by the end of June 2020 for corona patients? And the options are Mahesh Verma Committee, Amit Naran Committee, Nitin Sharma Committee, Rahul Sharma Committee. And the correct answer is Mahesh Verma Committee. The expert panel under chairmanship of Dr. Mahesh Verma, Vice Chancellor of Indraprastha University, has stated in the report that Delhi would need around 15,000 additional hospital beds by the end of this month to take care of COVID patients. Question 19. Hamza Koya, who died recently, was related to which sport? And the options are hockey, football, cricket, tennis. And the correct answer is football. Former Indian footballer Hamza Koya has died of COVID-19 in Kerala. Question 20. Which bank has created separate financial inclusion and micro market vertical? And the options are State Bank of India, HDFC, ICICI, Axis Bank. And the correct answer is State Bank of India. The new vertical will focus to provide financial services to people engaged in agriculture and related activities. Question 21. When is World Pest Day observed? And the options are June 6th, June 7th, June 8th, June 9th. And the correct answer is June 6th. Question 22. Name the first Indian origin from the UK who has been appointed as chairman of BAFTA. And the options are Aditya Pathak, Sanjeev Puri, Krishnendu Majumdar, Kiran Pal Singh. And the correct answer is Krishnendu Majumdar. Thank you.
I thank the volunteer Komal Vaishnav in helping this project. Thank you.